Welcome to ZenInbox, connecting your GMX Mail using IMAP SMTP. Easily integrate your GMX Mail account with ZenInbox using IMAP SMTP for smooth email sending and receiving. Follow this step-by-step guide to set up your GMX mailbox. How to connect your GMX mailbox using IMAP SMTP. Navigate to Mailboxes in ZenInbox. Click Add Mailboxes in the top right corner. Select Add Manually to proceed. Choose IMAP/SMTP as your connection type. Click Next to continue. First name, enter your first name. Last name, enter your last name. Email. ID, enter your GMX mail address. Click Next to proceed. Since GMX requires an app password for external mail clients, follow these steps. Log into GMX Mail. Click on Settings, gear icon, in the top right corner. Go to Security Options under Account Settings. Look for App Passwords and click Generate New Password. Select Mail Client and copy the generated password. You will need this in the next steps. Username. Enter your GMX mail address. Password. Use the app password you generated from GMX. IMAP. Host. Use imap.gmx.com. IMAP port. Use 993 for a secure connection. IMAP/TLS. Toggle on to enable encryption. Click Next to continue. Username. Enter your GMX mail address. Password. Use the app password you generated from GMX. SMTP host. Use mail.gmx.com. SMTP port. Use 465 for a secure connection. SMTP/TLS. Toggle on for encrypted email sending. Optional to set a different reply. To email, check the Set Reply To box and enter the desired email address. Click Next to proceed. You can create a custom email signature for outgoing emails. Click Finish to complete the setup. Success. Your GMX mailbox is now connected. You will see a confirmation message. IMAP added successfully. Your GMX mail is now ready for sending and receiving emails in ZenInbox.